You will love this silver '08 Toyota Prius hybrid, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 33,110 miles. Enjoy an exceptional 45 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like driver's side airbag, passenger's front airbag, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, CD player and dash, stereo controls and steering, backup camera, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '08 Toyota Prius hybrid. See us at Johnston's Toyota today.
Johnston's Toyota, Middletown, Monticello. See us at johnstonstoyota.com.